So we've just gotten ourselves to Rome. We actually arrived last night and we're here for a short visit to see some of the sights. One big thing that's kind of a bucket list thing for me, but on the way is a spot really close to our hotel. We actually visited last night, but I want to see it again in the daylight. Trevi Fountain. And here it is. This thing's massive. Wow. There's another angle. Large group of people here to see it. Here's about a 450 euro fine to go for a swim in there. Just so surreal being in a place like this. We're walking just a bit past the fountain here. Look at this. Forum of Trajan, 112 to 113 AD. So crazy. Look at all the bits of broken column. Here on the other side, it looks like they're piecing some of it back together. Here's the man himself, Caesar Augustus. Pizza break, we've got some spicy salami. We've also got some really nice looking lamb chops here. All right, lunch is done. Just look at all of this. It's getting rained on a little bit here, but man, we're at the spot. The Colosseum. Still have a couple hours to kill before it's time to go in, but that is amazing to see. The place is gigantic. All right, we are in the Colosseum. $70,000 people fit into this place. It's one of those places you just feel it in your gut when you see it in person. So we started things off with a short tour of the lower area. Now we're free to explore on our own and heading to the upper spot here. Pretty cool view from up here. Just imagine all of the action that's taking place down there. 2,000, almost 2,000 years of history there, and you can just feel it when you go in. That was very cool to see. You got the sun coming out here now. How about this piece of architecture here? I think this is the Victor Emmanuel II monument. There's almost too much going on here to absorb it all. Lots of crazy buildings and ruins. So we're just trying to hit as many of the spots, the hot spots, as we can while we're here, and just at the Pantheon here now. No tickets to go in. One thing I will say, we found out very quickly, a lot of these bigger attractions sell out weeks and even months in advance. So it can be tricky to get tickets in unless you're willing to overpay, which I did do for the Colosseum, but had to be done. Really cool just to even see some of these places from the outside though. Perfect spot for a rehydrate and some clam and mussel soup. We've made our way over to the Tiber River. starting to get a little bit late. We're heading to the Vatican. Most of the, pretty much all of the museums are going to be closed by the time we get there, but we just wanted to go and check it out. We made it just before dark. How gorgeous is this place? Got all the chairs set up here for when the Pope speaks. Yet another incredible sight here in Rome, and there's no shortage of those here, that's for sure. So this is actually just a quick dip in and out of the city. This was our only full day in Rome. Tomorrow we're heading a bit further south, so getting back in the car and getting away from the bigger cities for a bit, although they have been great. But that was the very short but very good visit to Rome.